Hello, Lagdera CDF officials. We want to know how our money is being spent and how it's being used. In last year, the 17th February, the government has allocated 76 million Kenya shilling. We want to know how that money you have spent it, and we want to know the remaining balance of it. If you have used it for building 2 classrooms in Banane, Shantabak, Madogasha, and all those other areas, we want to know the remaining balance of it. Because you can't tell me that you have used 76 million for building 2 dormitories or 2 classrooms in Lagdera. We want to know the budget in detail, the remaining balance. How have you spent on it? Secondly, the list of students who are benefiting on that fund, the disbursement of the CDF bursary fund, and the criteria that you are using for it. We want to know it. And then the payment method that you are using for each student. We want to know the list of the project that you have built or that you have facilitated in Lagdera. We want to know on it. Fourthly, we want to know how the entire community is benefiting CDF fund, be it in fund disbursement in CDF bursary in high schools or university level or college. We want to know it. We want to know all those records in detail. If you use it for building 2 classrooms in Madogashe or Shantaabak, you can't use 76 billion Kenya shilling for building 2 classes. Man, we want accountability, transparency, justice, and that fund how it being used. Because you can't use 76 billion for all those little things.